everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the little whale locations for day 7 in Heartopia. So during this Call of Whales event, NPC Naughty will give you quests to collect photo of little whales that hidden around the whale volcano camp, like this. And then so first just go meet the Naughty and then accept the quest. And then after that, just start to collect the photo of little whales every day. And if you missed the previous day, you can find all the guides in my Heartopia playlist. And for today, for day 1, just head to these locations near the NPC Azure, and then this one. And then after that, just open your camera, take a photo like this, and just like that, you will successfully unlock the little whale for day 7. And then don't forget about the furniture bubble. It's located over here. You can just follow my directions. Over there is a little bit tricky because it's hidden over here below this rock, and more precisely the locations is on here. You can just remember it, this one, at these locations. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.